Alright guys, so I just got a new package from Japan. I'm gonna show you at the skate park, so let's go for a little drive to PH Park. Best park ever, best flat ground ever. And it's been a while since I've had a real skate sesh because I've just been so busy working and making videos and all, so let's get to it. Not a soul in sight. All right, we're here at PH Skate Park, and it's just me. Aside from getting a session, we're here to talk about what I got from Japan. And no, it's not car parts, guys. I did get some more parts for the S13. I'm one part away from completing the full Type X kit, so stay tuned. But anyways, here is what I got from Japan. A 35mm SLR that I used to have. This is my second one. First one got stolen, and this is a Canon EOS Elan 7. And I've had a lot of film cameras in my day, but this is my favorite one. Biggest reason why is because the lenses are interchangeable with an EF mount. So all of the lenses that I accumulated when I had my T4i Canon 6D, those lenses are able to fit directly on this. If you've ever shot on Canon, you know exactly what lens this is already. This is the nifty 50mm 1.8, pretty standard stuff. Honestly, I'm not even too much of a fan of this lens. I used to rock on my first Elan 7 was the 40mm 2.8. It's a lot sharper. It's like half the size, so it's a pancake. This is already a pretty compact package, but with the 40 pancake, it was just perfect. So I'm probably gonna sell this nifty 50, get another 40. But anyways, yeah, this is a film camera, so there's no screen on the back, and it's got a flash. It's got autofocus, which is really good considering its age. We have all the modes as if this was a regular Canon DSLR. We got program, shutter priority, aperture priority, manual. We got all the dials that you're familiar with if you shoot on Canon. So we have the thumb dial right here. We got the shutter dial right here. The only thing we're missing is some Canon cameras have a dial here as well. Timer mode. It's pretty much got all the bells and whistles that you can ask of a camera of this age. And the reason why I brought it with me today is because after the skate sesh, I'm gonna bring it to some local spots to shoot some photos of the S13. One, on film because it'll look sick, but two, I want to document it in its stock form because it's not gonna be stock the way it is now forever. So yeah, I got a roll of film here, Portra 400, and we're gonna load it up, shoot later after the sesh. right, if I land a laser flip, first try, you have to sub. I don't make the rules. It's just, I'm sorry. Right here. Like, oh. Rebate. All right, that's it for the skate sesh. Sun's going down. It's about to be golden hour. Let's go snap these photos. All right, guys, we're here at Bayview. Got the camera all loaded up with film. Check it out. This is like the view you go to after school, just to like kick it and whatnot. But if you can see here in the distance, we have Silver Strand, which brings us to Coronado, which brings us to the Coronado Bridge, and then of course downtown. And then here we go, PH, Paradise Hills. Let's go snap these photos. Pretty much it for this location. I'm gonna go down more into the neighborhood. All right, here's spot number 2, Bayview Rec. So we're here at the very last spot. I'll add some photos, but other than that, thanks for watching. Peace.